Well, here we are at the far end of Buntzen Lake. You guessed it, on the paddleboard. That was 40 minutes to paddle down here. An easy pace, probably about 4 kilometers an hour, because it's 3 kilometers-ish. Now we're gonna head down the other side of the lake. And this is the end of the lake. There's a little beach here. People playing with their doggies. A suspension bridge across the river over there. And those red buoys are the point of no return. Or what do you call that? I cannot go past there. So I'm gonna head down the lake on the right hand side this time. And this is the beach where I started at. Well, this is the end of the line in this direction. That's the floating bridge. If you go to the left, it's back to the parking lot. If you go right, it immediately starts uphill on the Days Vista Trail, which I did last year, which was hard, but it was pretty fun. I liked it anyways. All right, I'll spin around here. And this is the way out. This is pretty shallow in here. I'm guessing that if PG Hydro lowers the water in the lake, that you wouldn't even be able to come up here. Anyways, back to the beach and on the way home. Well, that was a fun paddle. I'll give you the stats on it. I was just under 10 kilometers for the whole paddle. And I paddled, I did that 3 hours and 20 minutes. However, I spent a lot of time on the way back just exploring the little bays and that kind of stuff. So on the way there, I think I mentioned earlier, it was 40 minutes to go 3 kilometers. So it's a pretty easy paddle down the other end of the lake. But then the rest of it was following all the little bays and going down to the floating bridge. That took up another, almost 7 kilometers. And over 2 hours, but it was fun. And down here where I'm going is the dog beach. Anyhow, until next time. Ooh. And here, way to the right side of the beach, is the dog beach. And there was dogs at the other end of the lake playing in the water, so I assume the trail is dog friendly also, although I'm sure you need the leash. So if you've heard that Buntzen Lake is busy, yes, it's busy here at the beach, but once you get down the lake a bit with your kayak, your paddleboard, it was really quite quiet. And I know that it's not prime summertime, but still, it was really nice. And when I was hiking the Days Vista Trail, as I walked along the trail, I didn't see too many paddleboards going very far down the lake. Anyways, a view down the lake for the ending credits. Woohoo!